I'm about to leave. ¿Cómo te ves? I'll grab a case of water from the other one. I'll have one more.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a blow dryer review on this blow dryer Red Pro 3200 Turbo Pro. I first wanted to tell you guys why I wanted to do this review. Recently I have been on the search for a really good blow dryer. I will say that I did get this from the beauty supply store. I was this close to buying the Rev Air blow dryer, but after looking at reviews on it, people did say that it dried their hair out. It doesn't use heat, it uses like a reverse air method somehow in their technology. But I decided to stick to the old-fashioned blow dryers because I didn't want my hair to be dried out. I know some people try to avoid using heat. I've never really had a problem with like heat damage on my hair, but I will say they do have two settings for cool. So the lower button is cool, this button right here is cool. So if you don't want to damage your hair with heat, you can use the cool settings. For me, I won't be using the cool setting because it will take a very long time for my hair to dry. I do have really thick hair, and that is why I needed this Turbo Pro blow dryer so my hair can get dry fast. It takes me like almost an hour. I do have a different blow dryers, like the blow dryer brush, and it takes a very long time for me to blow dry my hair. And on top of that, the brush like keeps popping off because my hair is really thick to brush through. But a few things about this blow dryer: they do come with 3 different combs, and I'll show that to you guys. It also says on the side of the box it's a 2-year warranty. So I guess if anything ever happens, I can take it back and get another one. And then they have the 2 different fan settings. Another thing with the switches on here, it is easier to use to change the settings as you're blow drying your hair. I had back in the past when I was younger, I had this blow dryer where you had to slide the switch up, and it was like really hard on my fingers to keep sliding it up and down to change the settings. So I really like that it has that switch on there. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how the blow dryer looks. So this is how the blow dryer looks. I really love this color. It's a burgundy, and then it kind of has like a what do you call it, like a shimmer to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a shimmer in it. It's really pretty. And then here are the switches that I was telling you guys about. Like easy to change, and it's easy to hold that down as well, because I know this button is sometimes hard to hold down. And then you have the first comb. It has like another mini comb inside. So then you have just this regular comb, and then I guess this is a straightener. I think that's what it's called. And I wanted to touch back on the heat problem that people have. I would also recommend using a heat protectant on your hair, specifically Chai. I don't know how you pronounce that. Based on my research and my knowledge, this is the best or one of the best heat protectants. So I will recommend using this, and I will be using this on my hair as well. And I also use this when I flat iron my hair. All right, now let's hurry up and get into this before my hair dries completely. Now remember when I said I never had a problem with like heat damage on my hair? I do have some damage right here on my edges. As you can see, my edges got pulled out in my last hairstyle. And I never believe when people say, oh, don't let everybody do your hair, don't let everybody do your hair. So the last hairstylist I went to, the hairstyle was cute, but the braids were really tight. the braids were really tight and it caused my edges to get snatched. So we'll be working on growing my edges back. And for that, I do have this really good hair growth oil I'm gonna recommend to you guys. Let me show you that, give me 1 second. So this Wild Growth hair growth oil works really well. I usually put this on my hair whenever I do a hairstyle. I'm gonna do that later when I do my hair. I'll put it through my cornrows, I'll put it on my edges, whatever, before I put my protective style in my hair. I will add this Wild Growth oil. So I did not use this the whole time I had my braids. I just thought it was pointless because my braids were just like pulling out and I just needed to take them out immediately. I lied, I did use it one time. I did put it on my edges and like brushed it in and tied it down. So hopefully I will get some growth out of that. But yeah, really damaged my edges. All right, let's get into this blow drying. All right, like I was saying before, my hair is really thick. So my goal here is to dry my hair faster than usual. All right, I'm gonna spray some of my heat protectant on here. Okay, that should be good, hopefully. I probably could have gotten it straighter than this, but I didn't need to since I'm gonna cornrow my hair. But you gotta dry it pretty fast. One thing I forgot to mention is that this blow dryer was $40. So I don't think that was that bad. Compared to the Rev Air was $300, and that was another reason why I was so hesitant to buy it. Because I didn't want to buy something that expensive and then not like it. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this video and blow dry the rest of my hair. I also like that this blow dryer has a hot, warm, and cool button. So you don't have to have it really hot. You can put it on warm or cool. Okay, if I had to rate this blow dryer, I would give it a 9, only because it was a little heavy to hold. Like I was saying before, if you have thick hair like me, it takes a long time to dry. You gotta hold the blow dryer in your hand for that long. It's like, but it did get it dry pretty fast, so that's why I give it a 9. And also because the price, it was $40. It's not that expensive, but for me, I just don't think a blow dryer should be $40, maybe like $25, because I spent like $87 in a beauty supply store because I needed other things, but the blow dryer was like the most expensive thing, so I wish it was cheaper. But it is a one-time buy and it lasts pretty long, so I guess I would say it's worth it, and it has a 2-year warranty on it. But yeah, I will be doing my hair in my next video, so please go and check that out. Also subscribe if you haven't already, like, and leave any comments with feedback, suggestions, or any questions. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.